No, but looking at doing the Foley, man, I just find I call it reacting the film, not reacting, but reacting.
Yeah.
So if you grab this jacket off this seat, I would then record the sound of me grabbing that jacket off a seat, but find a jacket that is a little bit more exagerated than the jacket that's in the seat.
Those like
puffer jacket.
Puffer jacket, yeah, you'd make those sounds. Like you see in you see in films how they have like paper bags in American films.
Yeah.
They're not paper.
No.
Because that makes too much noise for a microphone.
Yeah.
They're rubber.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So they add in the paper sounds in post.
It's fucking amazing. Like
That's Foley. That's what you do for Foley.
yeah, it's such an amazing thing. Like I